Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your microphone is not working in Google Meet, you're not alone. This is a very common problem that many users face during online classes, office meetings, interviews, and video calls. The good news is that in most cases, the microphone problem can be fixed in just a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to check your microphone settings in Google Meet and fix the issue quickly. First, open Google Meet and join any meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, click the three-dot menu at the bottom of the screen and select Settings. Now click the Audio tab. Here you will see the microphone section. If it shows microphone not found or permission needed, it means Google Meet cannot access your microphone. This usually happens when the browser does not have microphone permission, the microphone is disconnected, or another application is already using it. Close the Settings window and make sure microphone access is allowed in your browser. Then reopen Google Meet, go back to Settings, open the Audio tab again, and check whether the microphone is available. If you are using an external microphone, reconnect it and try again. Also make sure no other application is using the microphone at the same time. These simple steps can fix most Google Meet microphone problems and help you speak clearly during your meetings. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix the Google Meet microphone not working issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.